it's just about time we take this in. Scrap 310 was 270 last few times I went, so you know, another 40 bucks a ton. You know, we're talking another $100, $125. That's what we're talking about here, boys. So you gotta get the tires pumped up on this son of a bitch. Nice. Oh, is she off the bead? That'd be pretty cool if she was off the bead. Just running a pre-roll into myself. A $2 pre-roll from the res, you know. No big deal. Unbelievable. Can you imagine you're driving around in your Ford, okay? Oh, look at me, I'm driving around my Ford. I need to put air in my back tires. Oh, can't. Just can't. Without taking the friggin' wheels off. So that's cool. The Valstrom, I don't even know if you'll be able to start that. The end of it's right there, with where my finger is. I'm touching the end of it, right there. So that's some good news. Well, what it looks like is this is the inner anyway, and that's the outer. And they just slapped them on Wilbert Nilbert to friggin' send her on her way. Yeah, I don't know. Well, it started to become no fun like right away, so I had to quit. I apologize, but the Chinook's blowing in and flat tires and stupid goofs and all type of shit, so quit. Now it's freaking Chinooking out. Hope you're happy. Oh man, what the f***? We can't do Chinook today. Today's not the Chinook day though.
Yeah, the weather forecast says it's going to be snowing tomorrow too.
Oh, for f***'s sakes. Okay, well, that settles it. I gotta go. Had to quit the internet today, boys. Is that ridiculous? Wow. Oh. We just want to make sure there's, wow, that's like turpentine in there. Sweet. That'll be a good lubrication, but we got it all modified, and we took the pump off that guy, put it on this guy, and we got a new sock. Got a new sock, so hopefully that works. I mean, oh dear.
So that's how they put that, like, that.
This?
Yeah, like, to twist it on, or like to punch it on, and it just like doesn't do anything.
I think that might be
Or is there,
the stop.
It's just yeah.
So, yeah, you want to go on these ones because they don't, you know, that one will just fold right over, right?
Yeah. Okay, I see how that is now.
I can't even remember if I showed you we got the bus all loaded up and stuff, but look at what happened. This place is bullshit. Like frig. America needs to come and infiltrate Canada so that I can move to Florida or somewhere warm where this bullshit just isn't a thing. And they don't get that kind. Maybe a tornado or a hurricane once in a while, but
Yeah.
none of this. You know, it's not freezing cold, wet, crappy out all the time. I hate that.
A week into April.
Yeah. Check out all this good stuff I found in the garbage too. SWR meter for my CB radio, friggin' a bunch of stuff, some other ones.
Mini laptop
Yeah,
in there.
oh, there's a mini, oh yeah, where was that? Oh, is that what,
I think it's that one.
this thing right here? I think. Got a mini lactoc. Let's see if it even turns on.
Oh, don't look like it.
Holy, it's got like internet and everything.
Yeah, I've never. Most laptops nowadays don't even have one. It's wireless.
Holy f***. Scores? Holy. What's really going on? Good jag right there, boys. Hey, I apologize. I apologize that I have such a good jag on. Holy schnickovitz, boys. Chilly today. Just a sheet of ice, boys. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Hopefully that means the cops are hanging out. Not trying to get dicks today. That's it. This is a heavy load, boys. I'm not gonna lie. The tires are squidged down to the smithereens. And yeah, it was 100% attentions the whole way. There's no real deviation from the pain of the attentions. So that's good. Okay, so we're at 0. We're at 95. We are at 20,800. Not as heavy as I thought, but it's heavier than 2 vehicles on the trailer. Oh my God. Oh, nice.
It'll be a check today, boss.
What?
It'll be a check this morning.
That's handy. You run out of the dollars?
Not yet. Rick's supposed to be here today, so. Right now we gotta hand out checks.
Oh well. Just glad I made it.
There you go. Road's a little slick this morning.
Oh, a little bit, not too bad. It's mostly the fucking overhang and the weight distribution, you know? How you doing? Yeah, I'll just drive ahead a little bit, or?
Yeah, once he picks it up, just watch him though.
He's gonna pick it up? I thought he was just gonna drag it off.
Oh, maybe that's what he's gonna do.
Yeah. Drag it off or pick it up?
We'll see what he does.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Figure
He's gonna take it off the back. I don't know how, but we'll see. Looks like he's going.
Yeah. I'll pull forward a bit.
What do you think? Is picking it up from the back? You driving forward? Is that what you're saying?
Well, you should be able to just drag it, you know, pick it up and just drive backwards. I'll pull forward and give you some room.
This motor's not the strongest. It's not.
No.
It's like it's got the power, but it's not there.
Yeah. Pump's all wore out or something. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, you're not getting under there near enough. I'll just pull it forward and just lift it up from the back and just drive backwards, right? You know, just drive it off the trailer. Yeah. I'll pull forward. Let's go up a little bit. Yeah. Oh, fuck. We got her hung up, boys. He's gonna snare it into the windshield for me. Nice. Oh shit. Thank you. Oh, decent. It's a pretty good jag, boys. $11,600, $11,620, $11,640. What the fuck? Oh, the Brinks truck's here. Scores. That's fucking crazy. They get that fucking Brinks truck to drop money off here. Oh. Brinks truck. Scores.